Welcome to Astro Shots by Puneet on Lifetime Soul. Moon will move out of the self-zodiac, own zodiac of Cancer and will move to the sign of Leo late in the night on 15th of June. Moon will cross the boundary of Ashlesha and Magha Nakshatra Gandanta and will make a grand entry and will get aspected by Jupiter. Jupiter in the sign of Aquarius will aspect the moon just before it becomes retrograde on 20th of June. Moon will find Ketu in the 4th house, therefore moon will have an unnecessary dissatisfaction. When moon goes to the sign of Leo, suddenly you will start feeling that you are missing something in life and your expectations are not getting fulfilled. Sun transit in Mrigashira Nakshatra is also going to make it somewhat difficult because mind and soul will be all over the place. This will be the time when your ego can rise high and you may see and feel that your throne is under threat. Your identity is under threat and that is why you will seek guidance. Jupiter's aspect on moon is definitely beneficial, but this is a Jupiter that is about to go retrograde. So definitely Jupiter is going to relay the information that you may misinterpret and it will ultimately heighten your ego. Rahu and Mercury is also on the 10th house from moon. So this moon has Rahu on the karmic house and Mercury is also along with Rahu and Mercury is retrograde. And Saturn retrograde on the 6th house may make you feel that you have a lot of enemies and somewhat it can create ego tussle because a person who is a critic can come across as an enemy. So for the next couple of days, like from 15th to 17th, you should be very, very humble. Try to donate food to the needy and try to maintain a calm and cool composure. Chant Narsimha Kavach and listen to Aditya Hriday Stotra to maintain the sanity and also to not allow yourself to burst out into an emotional anger. Overall, Mars position 12th from moon also indicates that somewhat some level of insecurity and uneasiness will be always there for moon, especially if you are a Leo ascendant, Leo moon sign or any prominent planet in the zodiac sign of Leo. You will feel somewhat uneasiness and a sense of desperation towards reaching a goal. Do not plan anything major during this time frame because anything that you will be planned might be changed in the upcoming time frame. This is the time when you listen to Guru's advice and look back into the past and try to correct your mistakes. Soul is in Mrigashira Nakshatra, so it's a good time for imaginative thinking. It is a good time to think out of the box. It is a good time to have some innovative ideas that will give you necessary push in the near future. This small couple of days can come handy in creating out of the box solutions of some difficult problems of your life. But to have that solution, to get that proper solution in your life, you need to be devoid of ahamkar and therefore pray to Shani Dev, and that prayer is going to give you the necessary humbleness and gratitude so that you can overcome any kind of uneasiness in your life. And to a certain extent, you have to also take care of your health because your ignorance may create health issues. Overall, this is going to be an energy-packed and enthusiastic transit, but you need to maintain control on your horses of your thoughts. The thoughts should be controlled, and Vipassana Dhyan is also one more key to let the negativity go out, flushing out the negativity and being very positive. Overall, this is going to be a light-seeking transit and I wish you get the light in your life. Thank you for watching this Astro Shots by Puneet. More such interesting and holistic videos coming on this channel. Do not forget to hit like, subscribe and share the video among family and friends. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, Namaste.